Girl, flowers in my garden. Pretty, pretty, pretty lady. Pretty, pretty lady. Yes, girl. You, no other one but you. Baby girl say it feels so right, so good, so good. Me mean when you say it from my heart. Baby girl, me and you would never part. Tell me say you have me in a comfort zone. Every time you leave me like you come back home. Baby, and the games me a play, I and I would have never ever stray. Girl, me say you have me in your comfort zone. Get me solid as a rock, you know me tough like stone. I believe that love is a powerful thing, feeling deep within. And if you believe in love, free up your mind, let this go within. As early as the morning star, I'm giving thanks for this lovely thing. Girl, with every beat of me heart, beat of me heart, me pray that you would have never part. Cause no other girl no hold me, hold me, hold me so tight yet, baby. None of them never please me, sir, treat me, sir. Lord, you feel so right. No girl ever squeeze me, squeeze me, squeeze me so tight yet, baby. None of them never groove me, sir, move me, sir. Girl, you shine so bright. Anytime, any weather, me girl get the key for me heart so forever. She will be the one with whom me share up the treasure. Enough love, it never make sense to measure. Nah, and baby girl enough to ask me anything me give to her, no matter what it cost me. Because me love her so much, so me treat her with such tenderness. She and me baby. Cause I believe that love is a powerful thing, feeling deep within. And if you believe in love, free up your mind, let this go within. As early as the morning star, I'm giving thanks for this lovely thing. And if I ever dream me, I'm dreaming no more. We are up because you're still holding on. And no other girl no hold me, hold me, hold me so tight yet, baby. None of them never please me, sir, treat me, sir. Lord, you feel so right. No girl ever squeeze me, squeeze me, squeeze me so tight yet, baby. None of them never groove me, sir, move me, sir. Girl, you shine so bright, yeah. She's the flower in my garden. Pretty little